Well, hey there, friends. Welcome back. Before we dive into today's pack, I just want to check in, see how life's treating you. Whether it's been calm or chaotic, I'm glad you're here. Let's take a breath and open a little wonder together. Oh, hey there, friend. I love the shine on it. So under the stars of an ember light, we found a shimmer in the night. The woods grow dark and the flames grow low, but wonder follows where we go. Thank you for being here. Until next time, stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.